Welcome back. Uttar Pradesh government has begun a crackdown on the Vishwa Parishad's Parikrama Yatra. Police took VHP leaders Prudent and Ashok Singhal along with 850 activists into preventive custody in Ayodhya for defying prohibitory orders. They overruled the ban imposed by the UP government on the Yatra. VHP has threatened a nationwide agitation against this crackdown.
Ayodhya turned into a fortress on Sunday following VHP's Parikrama Yatra. Enforcing government's ban on Vishwa Hindu Parishad's 84 Kos Padayatra, the Uttar Pradesh police on Sunday took VHP leader Praveen Togadia, Ashok Singhal and almost 850 VHP activists into preventive custody in Ayodhya for defying prohibitory orders. Several Vishwa Hindu Parishad and spiritual leaders, volunteers and 3 legislators have been put in makeshift jails or placed under house arrest.
But अभी यात्रा जारी रहेगी।
नितांत धार्मिक कार्यक्रम है वो चलेगा और तब तक चलेगा जब तक राम जन्मभूमि का मंदिर नहीं बने।
Home Department officer in Lucknow said a statewide alert has been sounded and district officials have been told to take VHP volunteers who defy the ban into custody. VHP has blamed Uttar Pradesh government of playing communal politics and has threatened a nationwide agitation against crackdown on the Yatra. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A house was gutted in fire at Velvado, Kelosi on Sunday morning. Owner Veronica Colasso was out of the house when the incident occurred. Her 2 children were asleep at home. Luckily, they rescued themselves immediately. Veronica tried to contact the fire station at Verna, but the call failed. She is claiming a loss worth $1.5 lakh.
Veronica was out to attend the Sunday liturgy in the church. Her 2 children were asleep in the house when the incident occurred. The children quickly came out of the house. The house has almost turned to ashes. Owner suspects that a short circuit in the television booster might have ignited the house.
भुरग्यांनी पयलीं ते एक 6:45 सुमार पेटलो तो उजो एक बुस्टरा कितें उजो पेटलो म्हूण सांगलें आनी मागीर भुरगीं फाटलीं तेरान भिवून फाटलीं तेरांतल्यान भायर सरलीं आनी कोणाक आपोवन हाडलें शेजाऱ्या आपोवन हाडलें आनी ते देर फोडून ते उजो पालयलो उदीक घालून आनी इतले आमचे बेड आनी सगळे टीवी DVD आनी भुरगेले ड्रेस आनी बुक्स स्कूल बॅग सगळे लासून गेले बेडां बी.
However, Veronica and Sarpanch of Kavelosi, Hilario Figueredo says they tried to ring the Verna fire station but attempts failed.
Fire brigade phone lagna.
Fire brigade phone kello phone laguna.
The family is now without any shelter. Veronica claims a loss of almost worth $1,50,000. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goa Postal Service is facing a staff crunch of almost 30%. There are no proper facilities for employees. They are overburdened. Taking up these issues, Bharatiya Postal Employees Association will hold a nationwide dharna on 2nd December. All India Central Working Committee met in Mapsa on Sunday.
याच्यातला एक मोठा मेजर प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे की जो पोस्टाचा जो अधिकारी वर्ग आहे हा पूर्वी कसा की तसा राहिला नाही आहे. हा भ्रष्टाचारात एवढा गुंतलेला आहे की त्यांच्या भ्रष्टाचारासाठी सामान्य कामगारांचं बळी ते लोक घेत आहेत आणि त्यांच्या शॉर्टकमिंगसाठी त्यांच्या लक्झरियस स्टाईलसाठी ते वेलफेअर स्टाफचा वेलफेअरचा पण मिळालेला फंड ते स्वतःकडे वापरतात. आज प्रश्न असा आहे की गोव्यासारख्या गोव्यामध्ये कमीत कमी 30% स्टाफ हा कमी आहे.
In Postal Department, the main cadre is Group C employees. These employees welfare association is called the Bharatiya Postal Employees Group C. Yesterday we had a very lengthy discussions over the burning issues. In our department, we want to save first the post office. After the supply of computers and peripherals and servers, they don't have the systematic idea of maintaining those things. So, one way they do not maintain the infrastructure setup and another way they don't maintain the required stuff. For this issue, these Group C employees assembled here to focus our issue to the government, to draw it to the attention of the government for our pending issues. For this issue, we are going to conduct national-wide dharna on 2nd December 2013.
जाय ती न दिता तेंच्यांनी रिजन ऑफिस, डिविजन ऑफिस अशा ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ऑफिसान ते स्टाफ फूल दवरतात आणि जे पब्लिकाक सेवा दिवपाक जाय थंयसर ते स्टाफ कमी दवरतात आणि तेच्या खातीर देशव्यापी आंदोलन करपाचो आमचो विचार आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.